I clearly don't know about it, but it might be a migratory bird, which is basically called stork or egret, which is a bird. And now I'm gonna go for cook, and first you have to take regular oil and chopped onion, and you must have to be fry until it would be brown. And now you have to take 2 tablespoons garlic paste and 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and you have to mix them all with onion and regular oil. And now you have to take turmeric powder and chili powder with 1 tablespoon, and you have to take salt with half tablespoon, and I'm gonna mix well them all. Okay, it's almost done, and you have to take milk. And after having milk, you have to mix this with all type of ingredients as well. And this is the high time to take cloves, cardamom, and other ingredients, and you have to mix them with local ingredients as well. And in additionally, you can take chilies, chopped chilies to be more exact. And you must have to be take chopped tomatoes, and you should take ripe tomatoes as well, and you should mix them well with all type of ingredients as well. And now it's time to take garlic by pieces and full, and you have to mix them well. Oof, smells really good. And now you have to take the super special meats. It seems so mouth-watering, na? On the way to cooking, knew that it called locally stork, king stork to be more exact, or it called in Bengali bok or Rajbok or something like that. And it's a giant source of vitamin D and vitamin A, which is so healthy, tasty, juicy, and delicious, and so on. And this is the very first time I'm gonna eat stork or king stork. I'm so excited to eat it, and I think it would be so delicious. And let's see. And now it leaves a smell which is so spicy and delicious. And my mother clearly told me that she's not interested about it. Most probably she don't like it. And now you have to take cumin powder and coriander powder with half tablespoon, and it almost end of the cook. This gorgeous migratory bird was 1.7 kilograms, and she was a beautiful baby girl. It's boiling and sounds good, and now I'm gonna rest them from pot over there. That looked delicious, isn't it? Trust me, that was mouth-watering, and one of the best recipe that I'd ever made in my entire life. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching.